I was just about to set up the tent when I noticed this guy right here. Perfect firewood and a little bit of safety. Clean up the site, get rid of a potential widowmaker, and some nice easy firewood. So gonna cut them down. Check that out. She was rotting at her base. Probably a good thing I cut it down. So I'm sleeping right there. Feels good. That's magical. All kinds of fat wood in those branches. I lost the handle to my flint stick, so we'll see how this goes. Uh-oh, lens is dirty. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's Tuna's here. Just another solo camping trip in Algonquin Park. This time it's a two-nighter. Plan on just doing some fishing, hanging out, relaxing, taking in the views. We're in another out of the way lake. It's about a 3-kilometer portage to get to it. I had a double carry, so it took me probably about 5 to 8K total because of all the walking around. And I actually tried to take a logging cut. Safe to say that wasn't the right way. I probably walked for a kilometer and a half into about a 10-year-old cut. Started getting very overgrown, very thick. I was following flags and following trails, what I thought were probably people, but I didn't find any human footprints, so it's probably just a game trail from a moose or a bear. Ended up not being what I was looking for, so I wasted a good hour to 2 hours walking around in there. And then, yeah, turns out that the actual unmaintained portage is actually just the old rail bed. So I was able to get as close as I could to the actual portage, and here I am. I would love to go for a paddle, but I'm pretty exhausted. I don't know if I'll go out. Might just fish from camp. It looks pretty deep off this little drop off. See if we can catch a trout for midnight snack, maybe. Yep. Well, I'm gonna go get supper ready. KD, dirty, quick and simple. Lots of butter. I'm gonna make myself a Gatorade. So I'm pretty dehydrated, starting to get some cramps. Hey, fish on. Fish on. Nice. Little baby lake trout. A little small to eat. Gonna throw them back. As soon as I turn it off, fish on. Oh, another laker. I don't know if I'll be able to fling this one. He's a little bigger. Get the net, Ricky. Get the net. All right, let's try this. Oh yeah, we got him. We got him. Oh, he's burping. Here, chum, let go. Let go of the barbless hook. There you go. No, not your slime. Good pick. In you go. Sorry for the jump. Not proper fish handling skills. but back in the water. I think I'll start fishing from down here. This fishing became the priority. Throw my quick meal in. Top for some KD magic. Well, the KD is in my belly. Very mediocre. It didn't mix well at all. Lots of chunks, but at least it was salty goodness. Now I'm off to the main course. We've got some, what do we have here? Oh, fireside Pringles, barbecue flavored. Nice. Definitely not the most nutritious supper, but it's replacing the calories I burnt. It is beautiful out. Slight breeze. Bugs aren't too bad. Fairly cool. Very nice night. I'm excited for tomorrow though. Hopefully we can catch a couple big boys. I'm glad I at least caught 2 fish. Both Lakers, both small. One guy, like, crazy color contrast. The first guy was black, like up north. And the second guy was very light, like a silver bullet. Roughly the same size though, but at least it's some action. That's cool. Dishes are done. The air sack's tied to a tree, about 50 yards that way. I'm just waiting for this to burn down a bit, and then it's bedtime for me. It's about 10:30. Beautiful evening. It's not clear, it's a couple clouds, but I can see some stars. The moon shining bright. Yeah, so I'll end the video here. Good night, guys. We'll see you bright and early. Good morning. It's day 2. It's about 8 o'clock. I slept in. I woke up at 5 initially to it's still downpouring rain, so it was kind enough to let me go back to sleep and sleep in. I feel pretty good now. On the agenda today, we're gonna go get ready to go fishing. I'm gonna go rig up my rods right quick, one for trolling and the other one just for jigging, and we're gonna go fishing. I'm taking advantage of this glass. The water is beautiful right now. A little bit of fog, but it's already starting to burn off the lake. Fish on. Okay, little Laker. Check them out. Pretty fish. That's number 3. Cool. This is a very beautiful lake. Just surrounded by rock cliffs. And this is why you check your gear every so often. I obviously broke off at some point. Well, I think I'm going to try jigging for a while. No bites since the first fish this morning. Starting to warm up quite a bit with the sun being direct. I don't know if you can see, but there's some cloud cover behind me. And it sounds like it might be a thunderstorm. Hear rumbling every once in a while. But we are close to base Petawawa in a sense, so sometimes it makes you wonder if it's artillery fire or the Okay, so I'm going to try to boil this water as quick as possible. Thunder is getting pretty nasty. I haven't seen any lightning yet, but I'm trying to do this outside as quickly as possible. I didn't want to deal with the bugs in the vestibule, so I'm taking a chance. Holy jumpins'. When I left yesterday, said nothing about a thunderstorm, said a slight chance of rain, but last night I noticed that the smoke was hanging over the campfire lower to the ground, and that usually means, I think, low pressure system's moving in, which usually means a storm, I guess. Well, we made it inside. Gotta clean up a little bit. Got the camera gear, drying out my fishing lures, got some snacks. And I think it's gonna be a good afternoon to read. Oh, finally getting some lightning too. Yeah. So scary. Well, I survived. Storm's passed. It's still quite cool, and I'm just drying out. So I figured I would keep myself busy by bucking up what's left of this pine that I fell yesterday, and hopefully the inner core is still dry. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Looks like we're still having a fire tonight. I'm gonna buck this up quick and hide it. Well, the first storm lasted about an hour, hour and a half. The second wave is now here. It gave me enough time to split some wood, add to the pile for hopefully tonight. I'm hoping for a wicked after storm sunset if this continues all day. I'd like to do some more fishing, but for now I guess I'm just gonna read, kill some mosquitoes, and maybe have a nap. We'll see you guys later on today. So, funny story, I just woke up from my nap. It seemed like it was beautiful out. The tent was dry, the humidity went down. So I was like, okay, cool, time to get up. And literally as soon as I sat up, had some snacks, it starts to rain again. So maybe I'll continue to read. Check back later. ended up raining all day. When I first went to the tent, it was about 11 o'clock in the morning. Got out just after 6:30. Gorgeous out. I've already caught one more lake trout. I couldn't get it on film. Just another small little guy, about 15-16 inches. Just doing what I'm doing now, trolling. Hope to catch it on camera, but I wasn't able to multitask at the time, I guess. Let's see if I can do it again. Check out that rock formation. Look how smooth it is. Still out here fishing. It's been about 20 minutes since the last time I updated, and the sky looks like it's about to swallow me whole. Behind me is all dark, like dark. A little patch of blue over there. And then in front of me is horrible looking as well. So I'm gonna go retreat. Retreat back to camp. Vamonos. I'm back. Well, as you couldn't tell, had to abandon fishing. It's raining again. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna call it a night unless it clears up here shortly. It's already past 8:30. I just ate my trail mix and Pringles to hold me over. I'm not that hungry. It's not like I expended that much energy today anyways. Didn't do too much, so yeah, this might just be my evening. If so, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Holy Batman, it's pouring! Rain, go away! Well, I've been in here pretty much all day. It's going crazy out there right now. Normally I like the sound of rain and thunder, but this is just a little bit too loud to the point where you can't really sleep. Good morning, everybody. As you can see, I've packed up. There's my tent pad, relatively dry. All things considered, considering it rained about 9 hours total yesterday. Didn't get wet inside, that's a good thing. Mosquitoes are horrendous. I've got a fire going over here so I can make some breakfast. And I don't know if I'm gonna fish just because the sky once again looks uninviting. Yeah, it doesn't look very friendly, so I might just begin my very long commute on foot out of here. Didn't take long at all, holy smokes. Birds are singing, water's beautiful, but it looks like rain still, so I'm gonna go pack up right quick, start breakfast, and then we'll probably begin our way out of here. We'll see. Fish on. Just went for a final troll before heading out. Ah, bugs. Oh no. Oh, lost them at the boat. Oh. That sucks. The bugs are out. Look at them. As you can see, we made it out. Wasn't too bad. Took me about 2 hours to do about 9 clicks. A little bit of running back and forth between the 2 carries. Bugs were pretty bad, not gonna lie. I also think I scared up a moose at one point, or some kind of large mammal. You could smell the muskiness, but I didn't hear it thrashing through the bush, so yeah, nothing too exciting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. We'll catch you next time. See you later. Come on, chump. There you go. Adios.